So here's how to fix laptop speakers crackling sound on Windows 10 or Windows 11. So first what you can do is open your browser and search for your laptop model. So for example, HP 15 notebook, and then click on the official manufacturer website. And in here you can find the drivers for your PC or product. So I'm going to go to the page of the drivers. You can also search directly for drivers in Google, and it should save you time and take you to the page. Now in this page, make sure you pick your device exact model to get the best fitting drivers. And in here you can find your audio driver. So we are looking for driver audio, and then expand and download the latest version that matches your Windows version as well. So for example, this one is the latest. Click on download, click on OK, download now. Now, once that is downloaded, you can double click on it and install the audio driver. Now you can close this. It sometimes might prompt you to reboot your laptop, so you can do that. Now, after rebooting your laptop, you can right click on the start button and then go to the device manager. And in this window, we're going to expand the audio, which is audio inputs and outputs, and then select your audio output. Right click on it and click on update drivers. Search automatically. Now, if there's any drivers that can be downloaded, it should start downloading. Otherwise, you can look in Windows Update. Now, if you see any audio driver related update in here pending, you should click on download and install to download and install it. Otherwise, you can go to the advanced options and then optional updates and do the same here. If you see a audio related update, you should check the box next to it and click on download and install. And that should prompt you to reboot your computer. Now, if you do reboot your computer, that should generally fix the problem. So another tip, what you can do is right click on the audio logo on your taskbar and open the sound settings. You can also open Windows settings and search for sound settings by going to System, Sound, and it should take you to the same menu. Now in here, make sure you have the output device active, which is the default output device for your laptop, and no other output devices are active at the same time. That might be causing this issue. So you can scroll down and click on all sound devices. And in this list, make sure the default output and default input are only active if you have multiple ones. So for example, you would only allow the speakers to be active. And you can go back. To this default menu, scroll down again and click on more sound settings. Now in this window, you should click on the playback and make sure the speakers or the default output device is only enabled, and disable the rest if you don't need them. Same for the microphone. Now you can click on apply and OK. Now you can close this, and that should fix the problem. Thank you guys for watching, and subscribe.